Rate as the virus continues to flood the country. More promising news about a vaccine. Good afternoon. I'm Sella Kim.
And I'm Gina Swanson. WDSU anchor Sherman DeSalle live with how the vaccine distribution may happen in our area. Sherman.
Good evening, Gina, Sella. We're here in Algiers, where pharmacists have told us they have an idea of how these vaccines will be distributed once they get approved by the FDA. Part of phase 1 would include those who live in long-term care facilities who are at high risk. And the folks here at the landing in Algiers, they're excited to be a part of it.
Everybody's excited, employees as well as residents, about getting on board with this.
The director of the landing retirement community in Algiers says they're staying healthy during the pandemic and ready for the COVID-19 vaccine.
And in this building, there's 106 senior citizens from their mid-70s until their late 90s, and they're all susceptible to this virus.
They'll be one of the first local senior living communities to enroll in the CDC's national program, offering free on-site clinics at senior communities across the country as soon as the vaccine's available. Companies Pfizer and Moderna say their vaccines are more than 90% effective and awaiting federal approval, something WDSU's medical editor Dr. Corey Hebert says is hopeful, but it's important to remember these companies are businesses.
We have public health as a four-legged stool. We have politics, we got money, we got public outcry, and we have science. And we need to make sure that science always rules the day. And we've known throughout this pandemic that it has not always ruled the day. So we just have to take this with a grain of salt and then vet it appropriately as it comes out.
Hebert also points out that the FDA was once willing to accept the vaccine with a 50% effective rate. Recent safety data from Pfizer shows more promise than that, and it's a chance the landing is willing to take to keep their community healthy in 2021.
Everything is a chance, but this is a chance to get rid of something that has been plaguing so many people.
Now, throughout this year, we've seen how much COVID-19 has impacted senior communities. This one in particular, out of the 106 residents, only 2 positive cases of coronavirus, and they've both recovered. But they say ultimately they want the vaccine to make sure that everyone stays as healthy as possible. Reporting from the West Bank, Sherman DeSalle, WDSU News.
Sherman, thank you. Vaccine maker Pfizer says that it's already in regular communication with President-elect Joe Biden's transition team as part of ongoing efforts to keep